We just left the hotel and look at the beautiful trees on the left and right, and the highway is clear. It's a 3-lane highway with 2 side lanes, and we're heading towards Salem, Massachusetts. It's one of the 13 original states of the U.S. And there was a lot of religious persecution there with the Puritans. And then later, when the Puritan religion was established, which is a form of Quaker and Christianity, which is a branch of Christianity, they had the witch hunts, and a lot of witches were killed. So it's a very historical place with a lot of witch history we're going to go see. Practicing witchcraft. The local Puritan council, which is like the ministers, the priests, and the elders, persecuted these people, caught them, and they drowned them underwater. And they said that if they're witches, they would float. If they were real, they would drown, which was really stupid. And a lot of people were killed there. So consequently, there's a lot of haunted places. There's a lot of mysterious and mystical places and a lot of stores. It is the witch capital of the world, Salem, Massachusetts. So we're going to visit that for Halloween, which will be quite interesting.
It's amazing the trees grow in between.
No, they grow at the line. Very starting to look like a college town. A lot of young people, students, stores. Yeah, it feels different. So beautiful.
Entrance, but it's not exactly a front.
There's no front here.
This is town itself of a university.
There's a lot of students here. Preoccupied with the beds, huh?
Yeah, we've been peach.
And a little bit. I'll get a card and say.
That'd be nice to go to school.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like that, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Let's go on one of those.
Go. What? No. Wait. I got it.
Because she is the witch. She's iconic.
To your right, coming up is the Salem Fountain. Now, this is a cynical people might say the criminals never left. Straight ahead of us, actually use the exact court manuscripts and transcripts. Now, down in the basement of the Witch Museum, the Dungeon Museum, they have a recreation of the conditions you would find in a Salem's Jonathan courtroom. Now, if any of you guys want to get off and tour the witch house, you're going to have to wait until we come around this bend here. It's very illegal to stop right here in an intersection. We used it as kind of the base of the mansion.
Oh, yeah, I don't think he deserves to. When he's preaching about hate, and that's not what God's about. I mean, God is a loving creature. It's not evangelicism is not, it's not God. All right. Are you planning on moving? Yeah. Oh, good, I'll follow.
Thank you. He's very good. He's going to college.
It's for real, huh?
Yeah, it is for real. Yeah.
Is he from around here?
Yes, they have to get a license. He has a license. He paid $25, and he was approved by the board to play for the tourists.
Brilliant. So he can collect money.
So he can collect money. All right.
I wish you luck. I'm donating $300 to you for today.
Oh my God! Thank you.
No,
sir.
really. I really hope you go to college. I'm really amazed how hard you work. You blow your horn. Keep doing it. You'll definitely make the college. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Temrich.
I'm not going to try to pronounce that. I don't want to insult you.
Don't. Keep doing it. Don't give up and keep studying. Okay. I left home. I'm 14 years.
Yeah.
I left home from New Jersey when I was. This is my card. I left home when I was 15, and I hitchhiked from New Jersey to California.
Yeah.
And my first job was working at McDonald's. And I put myself through whatever I needed to put through, and I supported myself because I didn't have parents. And I slept on the street, and I lived on the street, and I hung out in the street, and I know how it feels. So when I see a young person like you working so hard, it brings back memories. And I have nothing. I don't want anything from you. I just want to tell you, keep it up, don't give up, and keep playing and keep studying. Something good will happen. I'm going to send my good thoughts to you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good evening.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
He's a nice boy. Yeah. No, you know, because that lady told me he's real. That's why I feel good. Okay, I'm in Salem, and this is the Halloween capital of the world, and I'm walking around in my Dharma robes, which I wanted to do all over America. It's going to be interesting to see if people see it as a costume or as for real. Anyways, we're going to go around Salem today. This is October 31st, my favorite time of the year in the U.S. I don't think we need a jacket.
Another different thing.
No, we don't need it.
That they're serving God. And the problem is they're not serving the God that created them and the God that gave them life, but they're serving the God of this age, the devil. Serving the devil. They're not serving the God that gave them life.
Too. Right here. We're just floating around, so if you see me, flag me down because I can't hear a phone.
Can you take reading charges?
It's going around. It's $100 an hour.
$100 an hour. But so 1 hour is within the waiting time included, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Tickets can be purchased from any of our outdoor tickets.
Definitely just dust by now. cannot be even boats. I like the sea. It's just kind of long. Oh, still a lot of people, huh? Do it. Why do you want to go through there?